Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Thon Madhav. Today I'm going to say why should we have to do worship fast of Ganesh, Lord Ganesh. As per Shiva Puran, when Ganesh get his life back by blessed with his father Shiv, he Shivji told for do any work in your life or anyone's lives, you have to do worship with Ganesh. It will be very good vibes for everyone. It will be very good. And also one story. This story is very interesting, and I really like this story. When Devi Parvati divined some fruits, and that time God Shiva decided to give one task to his two sons, Ganesh and Kartik, that who is coming fast to round the world in 3 times and come back here as soon, he get all fruits as a prize. So Ganesh's brother Kartik, he already went with his vehicle, and Ganesh, he really didn't know what to do, and he's intelligent, and he used to circle of 3 times with his parents, and he told, for me, my parents is my world. So Ganesh is the winner, and he's win the prize. And this is really interesting, and also who really love his parents, who serve his parents, he did everything, he'll get everything in his life. And these topics too, I'm really grateful, and I'm really do Ganesh worship. And in Hindu religion, so many god is there, and somebody is different kind of mindset who did worship with another god, like Sri Krishna, Shiv, Burma. So many god is there. So it's your choice. I'm not telling about you should not do puja of Sri Krishna or someone like Burma ji or Shiva. I don't know. I do believe with everyone in the Hindu religion gods, and I also do puja with Sri Krishna, with Shiva. It's not like that. I'm not doing, and my personal experience I'm telling. Ganesh ji, who win the prize with the fruits, this the tricks what he applied, and that's very near to me. And also when he get back his life, Ganesh, by blessing with his father Shiva, he told, if you do something in your work, something starting work in your life, you should have the worship with Ganesh. So your work will be very smoothly happening. So because of all these things, so we should have the puja of Ganesha. As a festival of Ganesha, I really wishes all of you very Ganesh Satutri. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.